Hello folks, I received this wireless Metal Super Bass Sport headset, Bluetooth, from M8. Black edition, as you can see here, made in China. Let's go through this thing. I found it on eBay. It's about 10 bucks, not even $8. Parameter, wireless version 5, and a bunch of EDRVs up to version 3. Wireless mode, free, headset, 82DP, AURCP, hands. Wireless frequency, 2402 megahertz to 2480, support memory card play function. Transmission power class 2, charge voltage, 5 volts, 100 mA to 300 mA. Transmission range 20 meters, batting voltage, 130 mA. Working voltage, 3.6 volts to 4.2 volts. Charge time, 5 hours. It has an HD microphone, noise isolating, intelligent magnetic absorbing function, 5-hour battery, bass boost system. So let's see what this is. I'm not going to be very surprised if it doesn't sound very good. For $8, I don't expect much, but I have not yet tested it. This is just the unboxing, so I'll leave that there. Here are the headsets. Now let's see what it comes with. Okay, USB to, guess what, the old USB type plug, not the new USB-C. And then we have our thing here. It goes around the neck. I guess one of these things has a battery in it and the other one has a microphone and some connectors. So I'm assuming that's the part with the mic. I see some holes. Plus, minus, volume, maybe a button to turn on and off the call, and a little charge port right there under that. Okay, and you put your buds in. There they are. Looks like they have a direction, so it's left and right. You can't just reverse it. And that's it, nothing else. So there's the headset. Okay, now put that there. Let's read the instructions. Okay, we'll go through. There's an English instruction here. There we go. And I'm gonna zoom in. HD music Bluetooth headset, instruction for use. To charge battery. Before the first use of Bluetooth headset battery must be full of first tool. The charger wire connected to the charging socket on the headset. Insert the charger into the power switch. The charging indicator light shows red when fully charged when the red light goes out. To isolate the charger from the headset and power socket. The charging is complete. So to translate that, I believe it means I plug this thing into the charging socket on here. Some light will turn on red. Maybe that's the LED there, or is that the mic? Anyway, one of these things will turn red, and then when it goes out, I can unplug it. All right, next. To charge the charger cradle. What charger cradle? I don't see anything. I don't see any charging cradle. So, okay, maybe that's for another model. Anyway, it says before using Bluetooth headset, battery must be full of the charger wire connected to the seat of the charging socket. Insert the charger power switch. The charging indicator light shows red when fully charged when the red light goes out. Remove the charger from charging or power outlet. Please use the original charger. Okay, that I can't understand at all. On-off switch machine. Boot. Hold down the start and call button for about 3 seconds until the alternating red and blue. Maybe this is to get, or just to turn it on and off. Hold down the start and call button. Okay, turn it off. To turn it off, Hold down the start end coil for about 6 seconds until closed. Okay, so I think what that means is I'm supposed to hold down this thing until you see some light go on. Oh, there it goes. Now it's on, probably in pairing mode. You can see the blue, red, and I hold it and it might turn off. Off, there, okay. Yes, that's what that means. You press the call button to turn it on and off. Okay. Next, to pair the headset with a Bluetooth enabled phone. Open the head cell, hold down the function keys about 5 seconds to red and blue lights flashing. Set the phone to search for Bluetooth devices. When the phone searches to headphones, search to the list to determine the headphones. If the match is not successful, repeated operation, only need to match at a time. If the pairing is successful with flash blue lights at this point in the standby mode and ready to dial, accept the call. So what I think that means is, remember when I turned it on, it was flashing red, blue. I'm assuming you go on your phone app, pair to this thing, and there you go. All right, now to answer a call. According to the answer key on the phone, press the start end call button on the headset. So you can press that to answer. To end the call, according to the hang up button on the phone, press the start end button. So same thing, reject the call. According to the hang up button on the phone, when the phone rings, continue to hold the headphones on the start end call button for about 1 second. So maybe you just hold down the, Continue to hold the headphones on the start end call button. So instead of pressing it, you just hold it and it'll hang up. To make a call, use the phone keyboard input call number and then click the answer call button. The call is automatically transferred to the headset. Okay. I'm not sure what that means. To redial the last call number, in standby mode, click headset, start end call for about 2 seconds to loosen. You got that? To loosen. Okay, so I'm assuming you press this thing down and hold it and then it'll redial if it's not in a call. Song switch up and down. Press and hold the volume plus key on the phone about 2 seconds. Loosen the switch on. Press the volume on the cell phone. About 2 seconds, loosen the switch to next in song. I'm going to assume that you use these pluses and minuses to move ahead and back. I hope that's what that means. That's what I think it does. To adjust the volume. According to the volume plus key to increase volume on your phone. Press the volume on your phone to reduce the volume. Okay, so what's the difference between, to adjust the volume of headset, not the volume. But I'm not sure if the plus and minus key advance songs or increase the volume. Maybe if you just tap it, it increases the volume, and if you hold it down, it moves the song. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try that out. I can't tell. Security considerations. Okay, remember this. Use headphones while driving. Please abide by the provisions of the country or region. Do not remove or modify headphones for any reason at all, otherwise may cause headset failure or burned. Please send headphones to authorized service center for repairs. I doubt that anyone will repair this thing for $7 on eBay. It's not worth it. It's gonna get trashed. Do not use the equipment temperature too low or too high, below 0°C or above 45°C environment. The extreme temperatures will lead to deformation of equipment, reduce the charge capacity of equipment, and shorten the service life of equipment. Do not use the equipment to wet liquid, can cause severe damage to equipment. Please do not use wet hand contact device. Due to water damage caused by equipment, manufacturers will not be warranty. Please do not use the equipment in thunderstorm weather. Thunderstorms can result in operation of the equipment and increase the risk of electric shock. Yes, I guess they're meant not to charge it while you're in a thunderstorm in case some kind of a power surge ends up going through your wire and blowing, the soul out of this thing. Otherwise, I'm not really sure why you can't use it when there's a thunderstorm outside, if it's not plugged into anything. And that is it. There you have it. So I look forward to trying this thing out. It's what I would expect for a $7, $8 device on eBay. And, probably is not going to sound anywhere close to my Apple AirPods. But let's see if it works and at least gives you some, decent sound. And mostly, oh look, they stick together. It has magnets. Is that what they meant about magnetic? Look at that. They stick. Maybe that's what they meant about intelligent magnetic absorbing function. Okay, well, just a note, keep these away from your tapes and hard drives and anything else that it might stick to. But yeah, okay, interesting. Yeah, maybe you take it out of your neck, out of your ears, and then you can hang it around your neck and the thing sticks like this. But I do expect it to sound terrible, and I'm hoping the battery lasts, you know, what it says it lasts, because that's usually the most disappointing part of these things. They work for a bit, even with crappy sound. I mean, you can listen to audiobooks or whatever, but the problem is you end up with the battery getting worse and worse and worse, and pretty soon it can barely stay on for a few minutes. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have something like this and you've used it successfully already, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Bye for now.